Now, there are many ways you can add a button. Various machines and different buttonhole attachments. I'm using the Brother SQ9285. And it has different buttonhole. This machine has different automatic buttonhole makers and stitches. It is the Brother SQ9285. Computerized sewing. What you would do is put your button in there, and that way when the machine is sewing, it automatically detects the size and width of the button. Attach your buttonhole foot on your machine. Make sure the buttonhole lever is behind the buttonhole attachment lever. Mark your fabric of where the button hole and the button meets, and then you want to mark the length of your button. And the starting point. This will be the starting point. The machine sews backwards. So we start there, and the buttonhole will start here and go back and forth and back and forth. Depending on what number you select, the machine will automatically decide the length and the width of the stitch. Hold the top thread up slightly and start sewing. And the machine will automatically stop and automatically put reinforcement stitches at the edge. And when it's finished, it will look like that. And you use a seam ripper to open it up. Now we have a buttonhole. I usually make my buttonholes kind of tight because eventually all buttonholes will loosen up, and you want the button to stay in there as long as possible. There you go.